everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting for all of you road trip enthusiasts, van life dreamers, and adventure seekers, the all-new 2025 Toyota Motorhome. This isn't just another RV rolling down the highway, it's Toyota's bold statement on what tomorrow's mobile living can look like. Over the next several minutes, I'm going to take you on a comprehensive tour of this game-changing vehicle, covering every nook and cranny, from the exterior design that turns heads to the interior features that make life on the road feel like home. So buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. Picture this, you're cruising down a scenic forest trail, the sun peeking through towering pines, and there it is, gliding effortlessly behind your truck, a motorhome that doesn't feel like a cumbersome beast but rather an elegant extension of your lifestyle. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome is built on Toyota's rugged yet refined chassis, blending the proven reliability of their trucks with the comforts of a modern RV. Toyota engineers started with a reinforced unibody platform, giving the motorhome exceptional torsional rigidity, which translates to a smoother ride and better handling than most competitors in its class. That means fewer rattles, less sway, and more confidence when tackling mountain passes or navigating tight campground roads. On the outside, the design is an exercise in purposeful elegance. Angular LED headlights sweep back into a streamlined fascia, while a bold grille panel with an embedded Toyota emblem instantly broadcasts the brand's heritage. Flared wheel arches house 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, giving you the traction to tackle gravel, mud, or even light snow. A chrome-finished roof rack integrated with low-profile solar panels follows the streamlined roofline, optimizing both style and function. What really stands out are the dual slide-out sections on either side. With the push of a button, these panels extend to significantly increase your interior living space, creating a spacious lounge on one side and a full-size kitchenette on the other. When retracted, the motorhome's width shrinks back down to under 8 feet, making it easy to drive down narrow country lanes or fit into standard parking spots. Step up onto the sturdy retractable side step, and you'll find a lighted entryway leading into a world designed for comfort and utility. Right by the door is a convenient control panel that lets you manage everything from ambient lighting to climate zones, water tank levels, and solar charging status. The interior color palette uses warm neutrals ivory, light gray, and subtle accents of matte black for an airy and contemporary feel. Luxury vinyl plank flooring is both water-resistant and scratch-proof, perfect for muddy boots or pet paws. And don't let the refined styling fool you, Toyota engineers have packed in serious storage options. Overhead cabinets with soft close latch.